Hey, and welcome to my channel. My name is Carrera. If this is your first time here, welcome. I make videos about all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and wellness. If this is not your first time here, hey girl, hey, welcome back. So, today's video is going to be how to style, transforming your summer wear into your fall wear. This time of year, like that end of September, beginning of October, is always tough to get dressed because one day might be hot, one day might be a little cooler. You know, it's hard to transition the looks. So that's why I created this video, to give you some ideas and tips how to style your summer looks and transition them into fall looks. So if you're interested in seeing that, sit tight. I got a video here in store for you. But before we start, I just need you to do one quick little thing. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. Just hit that little button below that says subscribe. Also, if you want to be alerted every time I upload a new video, which will be every Wednesday, but just in case you forget, there's a button right next to the subscribe button. It looks like a little bell. You want to hit that. That will give you notifications that I have released a new video. So if you're done all that, let's get started. Alright, so if you made it to this point in the video, I want to thank you so much for taking the time out to watch, and I hope that this video could be helpful to you and giving you a few ideas on how to transition your looks from summer to fall. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like that, feel free to give it a thumbs up as well. Also, leave comments, let me know what you think. Share with a friend as well. Sharing is caring. And once again, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for another video coming out soon.